Openbravo 3, the Agile ERP, is the perfect back-office complement to SugarCRM for both customers and partners. In this brief presentation, we put a spotlight on the native Openbravo 3 connector that has been created by Redk, an Openbravo Gold partner in Spain, who also happens to be a very successful Sugar Gold partner. Let's get started. First, the Redk connector is all about easy and reliable data synchronization, Openbravo style. This native Openbravo package drops right in and works out of the box, synchronizing data between Openbravo and any web services capable application in one direction or both. Redk's Openbravo connector is fully extensible with setup and monitoring achieved through intuitive Openbravo screens. So why risk custom development or add unnecessary complexity with a standalone ETL tool? Openbravo 3 is the Agile ERP, and Redk has built a truly agile bridge to SugarCRM. Now let's take a look at the synchronization settings screens, which are very simple yet powerful. A synchronization consists of a set of synchronization points, which are defined to run in a certain sequence. Each synchronization point represents a certain type of data that is accessible via a specific web services endpoint. Web services are used to make the synchronization process independent of any particular database. Here we see the settings for business partner data, which in this educational example consists of accounts, contacts, and students. Let's drill into the accounts object. I want to point out a few things on this screen. First, by synchronization point, you can specify the direction of the data synchronization. The external application is SugarCRM in this case, but note, this integration technology is fully extensible and can be configured to work with any external application that exposes standard web services. In this case, let's leave the synchronization bidirectional, which means data changes will be passed in both directions. For bidirectional synchronization, you need to specify which side has priority in the case of a data collision, which happens when data changes are detected on both sides for the same record. For information about accounts, this client is using SugarCRM as the official system of record, so external application is selected. Now let's drill into accounts to glance at the mapping of the individual data elements. This is pretty much what you would expect, including the ability to massage and look up data with standard SQL statements. As you can see, defining the table and column mapping is very simple and is done directly from Openbravo's web-based screens, with no need to add complexity with external ETL tools. Once you have a synchronization defined, you can execute it manually right away to test it. But of course, once it is set up, you will schedule it. So let's take a look at a SQL example, and then we'll head on to scheduling. Now let's take a quick look at a standard Openbravo scheduling screen, which is used to schedule batch processes. As you can see, scheduling is very simple and can be very fine-grained, even down to checking for new data every n seconds. We'll leave it at 1 minute for now, and we'll show a few actual data synchronization examples. First, we'll add a new account in Sugar and see it show up automatically in Openbravo. Then, we'll change some data in Openbravo and see the change back in Sugar. So, let's add the account Bynet Inc. into SugarCRM. Look at the data, and we'll compare the same data as it shows up automatically in Openbravo. A few moments later, the interface will run and the data appears in Openbravo. It's really that easy. Now let's go the other way and make a few changes in Openbravo and see how they're reflected in SugarCRM. We'll add a new address in Openbravo and we'll tell the interface to synchronize it to SugarCRM. Now we'll put an X at the end of the tax ID to have another change come through. We'll save it. It'll be invalid, but that's okay for us. And again, a few moments later. Now let's go back to refresh the sugar screen. We'll highlight where the changes in the new data will appear. And we'll refresh. And voila, there it is. Now let's step back from the SugarCRM connector and take a look at what it's connecting to. Openbravo 3. As you can see from the diagram, Openbravo 3 provides comprehensive core ERP functionality, a perfect complement to SugarCRM. And this functionality has been successfully implemented in many industries. Here are the top ones. As a SugarCRM customer, you know that open source applications can help drive your competitive advantage, no matter what industry you're in. In fact, companies of all sizes are finding that open source and best of breed are two complementary application strategies. Together, they deliver no compromises, cost-effective functionality with seamless data flow, loose coupling, and increased business agility. Openbravo is the ideal ERP to connect to SugarCRM, and the Openbravo connector from Red K is the best way to integrate them. I'll close by calling out the key benefits of integrating Openbravo with Sugar for both end customers and Sugar partners. Let's start with end customers, who can look forward to increased operational productivity, quickly achieve the high, no compromises operational productivity that comes from deploying the best of breed open source applications for both ERP and CRM. The second is reliability. Realize reliable bidirectional data synchronization with a proven out-of-the-box solution. Agility. Easily adjust your data synchronization without unnecessary technical consulting or additional ETL tools as you adapt your ERP and your CRM. Finally, ROI. Achieve fast time to value with a cost-effective, sustainable, fully supported solution. If you are a SugarCRM partner, Openbravo 3 provides a great opportunity to expand your value proposition. Expanding your capabilities to support client back-office needs with Openbravo 3 can provide a powerful differentiator versus competitors who cannot bring the full solution to the table. Customer satisfaction. Deliver real business value to your customers by using a tool that does the data synchronization heavy lifting for you. Finally, we're back to agility. The Red K Web Services-based data synchronization platform is fully data-driven and can be easily configured to synchronize data between Openbravo and any external system that supports standard web services. We leverage your training investment, use it over and over. Thank you for your time. To learn more about Openbravo 3, the Agile ERP, please see openbravo.com. Finally, to learn about native Openbravo connectors to other world-class open source applications like Magento, Alfresco, and Openbravo POS, please see exchange.openbravo.com and click on the Connections tab.